mist, and it is very cold. The inhabitants of these dangerous cliffs wait patiently for the mist to clear and the sun's rays to warm their bodies.
Please, mist, go away now. When I'm cold, I don't feel like doing anything. I'm not the only one that feels this way. My brothers and sisters, my mom and dad, in fact, all of us Rock Hyraxes dislike the cold weather. But wait, silly me. I know what to do. I can cuddle up snugly with my family. How I love the warm smell of my mother.
This smell is produced by a gland on the back of the Rock Hyrax. They all have this gland. It releases a specific odor through which they recognize their family members, as well as the rest of their colony.
We just love to bask in the nice warm sun. Oh no, flea time! These little pests can be such a nuisance. We try to get rid of them by scratching with our padded feet. And if this doesn't help, we can always try to get hold of them with our teeth.
Despite their unathletic appearance, Rock Hyraxes, or more commonly known as Idazis, are extremely agile rock climbers. The rubbery soles on their feet sweat freely to give them a grip, enabling them to run up near vertical rock faces. Because their feet are so well padded, they hardly feel any shock when they leap from rock to rock.
You'll never believe what I'm going to tell you now. Do you see this mighty elephant with its big ears and tusks? Even if we stretch as high as possible, we'll never be as big as they are. Yet we are related to each other. Like the elephant, our upper pair of teeth never stops growing. It just gets longer and longer. Also, our mammary glands, where babies get their milk from, are situated on the chest, behind the front legs, just like the elephants. Phew! Can you imagine what we would look like with those big ears? Although, it is said that the shape of our skulls is similar. Now that the sun has warmed our bodies, I think it's time to eat. These leaves don't look too bad. But that plant over there looks juicier. Just as I thought. Delicious.
The Rock Hyrax feeds on grass, roots, leaves, bark, and the seeds of a wide variety of herbs, shrubs, and trees. Occasionally they do drink a bit of rainwater, but the juices in the plants they eat provide them with enough moisture to go without water for days.
My baby friends prefer their mother's milk. Don't worry, little one. She'll be back in a moment. She's just making sure that the sentry is wide awake. Each Hyrax colony has a sentry who's always on the lookout for dangerous predators, while the rest of us and the other animals with whom we share the mountain can continue enjoying our day. Some do this by scouting around for a juicy tidbit to nibble on. Most of us, though, prefer to do nothing but carelessly bask in the sun, assured that our sentry is keeping a watchful eye.
Rock Hyraxes live in colonies of which the size depends on how much shelter there is available among the rocks where they live. They are found all over Africa.
Our sentry spots something in the air and he gives a warning signal.
Even on these inaccessible mountainsides, the Rock Hyrax have their enemies. Danger usually comes from the sky.
Why is everybody running? Why's our sentry given a warning signal? Oh no, a young batelier. Is he looking for an easy prey? Time to find a hiding place. Come on, friends, there's no time to sit around. Even our other friends have spotted the danger.
The sentry is still keeping watch, well aware of the danger lurking above them, while the other Rock Hyraxes find shelter.
Phew, I've made it. I'll be safe here. Just look at that batelier. Once he's in a position to attack, he'll swoop down and snatch an unsuspecting young one off the cliff.
The Rock Hyraxes are waiting patiently for the danger to disappear. It seems that today this batelier will have to find some other prey.
Hooray! The danger is over, and we can relax again, doing whatever we please. Basking in the sun, scratching irritating fleas, or just enjoying each other's closeness.
The leopard is also a big threat to the Rock Hyrax because he has no difficulty in moving around on treacherous mountain slopes. But until such time, when the high-pitched warning call of the sentry is heard, peace will remain on the cliffs.
And how peaceful we can be. Our friends the doves think they look very smart after they've groomed themselves. We don't have to stand back because we do the same, even if it means getting rid of another flea.
Tailless and with stocky legs ending in padded feet, these rabbit-sized relatives of the great elephants will spend their days habitually huddling together and enjoying the company and protection they so generously offer each other.
We also have our quarrels. But just love playing with one another, even if you have to put up with a friendly bite now and again. It's not only us Rock Hyraxes that make full use of the sunny days. Our friendly neighbours also love the sunshine. We all know that as time goes by, the good weather may change.
Soon the mist will cover the mountains again, and the temperatures will drop. It will be time for the Rock Hyraxes to return to their rock shelters, where they will huddle up close together, offering warmth to one another. Once again, they'll have to wait patiently for the welcome sunshine of tomorrow.